Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to connect PayPal account to your Distrokid account. It's very simple, so let's get started. Alright, so if you want to actually receive your payment from Distrokid, then you have to connect a payout method, and PayPal happens to be one of the payout methods available on Distrokid. Alright, so if you want to connect to your PayPal account, all you have to do is to head to a browser, go to distrokid.com. So once you are right here on your dashboard, you're going to have to click on the drop down icon and select payout method. So once you click on that, you find this you find all the available payout methods on Distrokid. So we have e-check / direct deposit, we have PayPal, we have wire transfer, we have physical check. All right, so what you have to do guys is to click on this, update your TPT settings. And then if you're using this for the first time, you have to create a password, I think. Or I think you have to create a password. So my password is, alright, so once you're done entering your password, click on continue, and then it will start processing this for you. So you have to enter some informations before you can be able to link your PayPal account. So first of all, you have to start with your address. Right, so this is your address information. So you have to enter your email address, and then your country, phone number, first name, middle name, add street address, city, country, so my country is Nigeria, so I'm going to select Nigeria, and then I'm going to, alright, so I have to enter my date of birth. So my date of birth is actually, so I'm going to select the month of February, and then select the year and the day. Right, so that's it. So the next thing is your country of birth. So my country of birth is Nigeria. So I'm going to click on this drop down. I'm going to drag this and select my country of birth. So that's my country of birth. Next thing to do is to click on next, and oops, I didn't select my country of birth, so let me do that again. So this is my country of birth. Alright, so I'm going to click on next, and then we're going to move to the next part. Guys, we have to change this to our country code. So our phone number, country code, so you have to change this to country code, not your country name. Alright, so if you noticed before, my country name was there. Alright, so just scroll down, click on next, and then you have to click on this confirm and continue, right? And then the next thing we have to do is to wait for this to process. Alright, so this is the next part where we have to enter our payout method information, right? So you just have to click here, select your payout method, either wire transfer, check, right? So definitely there's going to be PayPal here, but PayPal is not shown here because PayPal is not available in my country, right? So the PayPal payout method has to be available in your country, right? So once that is selected, then the next thing you have to do guys is to enter this other information like your name on account number. Sorry, this is if you're using wire transfer, but if you're using PayPal, the required information is going to be different. All right, so and then you click on next. Once you're done, click on next, and you'll be taken to tax forms page where you have to enter some tax form information. So you have to enter fill in a tax form, and then you're done. Right, so it's that simple, guys. So this is how you can actually connect PayPal accounts to Distrokid. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more tips like this.